If you're waking up with bites, dealing with stains on your sheets, or feeling like something is crawling at night, you're not imagining it. Bed bugs are real and they spread fast. But today I'm going to tell you how to use silica gel, a powerful dust, to help kill bed bugs and do it safely and correctly. Unlike regular sprays that bed bugs can resist, silica gel works differently. It doesn't poison them, it dries them out. Bed bugs have a waxy protective layer that keeps moisture in their body. When they walk across silica gel dust, that layer gets damaged. Within hours, the bug begins to dehydrate and eventually dies. It breaks wax coating, causes dehydration, and works on resistant bed bugs. Before you start, here's what you need. Silica gel dust, amorphous, not crystalline. Gloves, dust applicator or squeeze bottle, vacuum, laundry access. Optional mattress encasement plus interceptors. Preparation is everything. First, remove all bedding, curtains, and washable fabrics and put them in the dryer on high heat for at least 30 minutes. Heat kills bedbug eggs, nymphs, and adults. Next, vacuum your mattress seams, the box spring, baseboards, and furniture joints. Bed bugs hide in tiny cracks, so take your time. After vacuuming, seal and throw away the vacuum bag outside. Now it's time to apply the silica gel. You only need a very thin layer, not piles or clumps. Bed bugs avoid dusty patches, so think light and even. Apply dust to mattress seams, bed frame joints, cracks in furniture, baseboards, behind electrical outlets, optional, only if safe, legal, under the bed and couch legs. The goal is to place the dust where bed bugs walk. Thin dust, not a pile. How long it takes and what to expect. You may start seeing dead bugs within 24 to 48 hours, but this isn't an instant kill. Some bugs hide deep and may not touch the dust right away. Continue inspecting weekly and reapply if needed. After 7 to 14 days, you should see a noticeable drop in activity. Combine dust with mattress encasements and bed bug interceptors for faster results. You should see results 24 hours to 14 days. Safety tips. Do not breathe silica dust. Wear gloves, avoid loose clouds while applying, and keep it away from kids and pets until it settles. Use only amorphous silica gel, not crystalline silica, which is unsafe. Don't inhale, keep dry, use safely. So for those of you who can't find DE, silica gel is another name for it, and it's also in powder form and has the same uses. Using silica gel correctly can help eliminate bed bugs, especially when combined with heat, encasements, and monitoring. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a